Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my custard. So if you are interested, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can as well subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and set the notification bell to on so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Here is the custard that I'm going to use. I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of custard. I will add a 1/4 cup of water, which is equivalent of 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to mix the custard very well. You don't want your custard to be too light or too thick, just like the way I'm doing it here. So now I'm going to be adding hot boiled water. I'm going to give the custard a nice stir. You need to stir your custard very well because to avoid some lumps inside your custard. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. If you wish, you can as well use sugar, but I decided to use honey for my custard. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video, and guys, if you like what you see, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You can as well subscribe to my channel, share my video to your family and to your friends. I'm just going to mix everything together, the honey and the custard. I need to mix everything together so that it can incorporate very well. As you can see, the custard is not too thick or too light, just like this. This is how I want my custard. Now I'll be adding evaporated milk. Then I'll mix everything together. So guys, for my old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, share my video, please share it. You don't need to pay anything to share this video. It's a free to share the video. Just share it to your friends, to your family. So as you can see, the custard is not too thick or too light. This is how I want my custard. So I also have a video for how to make akara, because you can use akara to eat your custard. You'll see the link on the screen, so go and check it out and see how I make my akara. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Ciao, bye bye.